Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add a PDF document in Hostinger Website Builder. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, open up your web browser and go to Hostinger H-Panel. Once here, go to left-hand side and click on Website section. Here, simply click on Edit Website to open your website in the Hostinger Website Builder. Once here, look at the left sidebar and click on More option. From this menu, look for the Media Library icon, which looks like a folder. Click it to open your media library, then click Upload File. When the file selection window appears, choose the PDF you want to add, such as companyprofile.pdf, and upload it. Once the upload finishes, your PDF will appear in your media library with the rest of your files. With your PDF uploaded, the next step is adding a button that will link directly to it. Go back to the left sidebar and click Add Elements. Then drag a button onto the spot where you want it on your page. Click the button to access its editing tools and change the text to something clear and actionable like Download PDF. After updating the text, click the link icon to attach your PDF. In the link pop-up, select the File tab, choose the PDF you uploaded, and click Add to finalize the link. For a smoother user experience, you can also enable Open in New tab, so the PDF opens separately without navigating visitors away from your site. And that's it. So that is how you can add a PDF document in Hostinger Website Builder. So that's all for this video. Thanks.